Okay, it's Christmas Eve, 24th, it's a Sunday, and I want to show you we're pretty much back to how it was before the pandemic. I'm not going to say much, guys. If I got something to say, I'll have a rattle, but I just want you to feel what it's like to be in Naga City on Christmas Eve. And it is absolutely packed. Now tomorrow, Christmas Day, it won't be. So let's see if we can fight our way round. Try not to get run over. They'll not be able to hear you, baby. Yeah. Very, very noisy. Them horns, oh my god. Normally this would be a very quick video, a quick walk, but today, as you can see, it's absolutely heaving with people, traffic. Another thing you notice on a regular basis every year is when there's a like fiesta or whatever going off, prices go up. It's no different. It's Christmas. The fruit prices and vegetables, everything's gone up. I got 3 potatoes and it was 160 a kilo and it cost me 180 pesos for 3 potatoes, and they weren't that big.
Inside because it's traffic.
No, it's too crowded, mate.
In UK during before Christmas it's very busy as well.
It's busy, but not like this. Hello. Hello. So it'll give you a little bit of an idea. I mean, it's great. And like I say, we're more than back to normal after the pandemic. There's lots of beggars on the streets. They sit on the stairs going up the people's mouth. What do they call them beggars, Mal?
Bajau.
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 Huh?
Bajau.
Bajau.
Yeah.
They come from the mountains, don't they?
Yeah.
It's just for Christmas, then they go back. I'm feeling a little bit of rain. So we'll be having a bit of food with some friends later on tonight. Melissa will be there. We might even, yeah, we might even try a live for 30 minutes or so. I've never tried one outside, but we'll see how it goes because Mel's got a brand new phone. Hey!
Chat.
Yeah, chat. Yeah. Now again, these stalls here, guys, they wouldn't be allowed normally. It's only because it's Christmas. Any special occasions, fiesta time, of course, is the other one. They're allowed. It's starting to rain. I don't know. Sod's law, isn't it? Up. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little busy. Everybody's coming in out the rain now. See, if I'd have done it 30 minutes ago, would have been alright. We'll see if them Bajau are on the steps still. They're normally there all day.
Ito po, 5. Thank you po. Sa'yo, madam po. Anong hanap po?
You'll be walking through here on a normal day and they'll keep saying, yes sir, even though you've not asked for anything. Yes sir. Look how small the potatoes are. See?
Even Plaza.
It is really busy. It's still raining, yeah, it's still raining. You can't stay under any canopies either. So these stalls that you're looking at now, guys, they're always there, as you probably know if you've looked at my other videos. But there's a canopy around here, so hopefully I can get there without my camera getting soaked. Now obviously these stalls here that you're looking at selling clothes and what have you, these are not allowed under normal circumstances. It's great though. There's a really good atmosphere. Said I wasn't going to talk, didn't I? Plenty of horns. Oh, that's better. I bet a lot of these horns are from last year. They'll stay obviously until New Year's Eve selling these things. So welcome to Naga City, Camarines South.
Christmas here in the Philippines than to your country.
What?
What is the difference?
What's the difference? Well, it's not like this. No, maybe the big malls would be quite busy on the run up to Christmas, but you wouldn't see this. There's not the family units in the West anymore like there is here.
Hi guys.
Hello. The kids will say, hey Joe, hey, what's your name? And then that's it. That's as far as their English goes. We'll have a quick look down here, guys. Again, these wouldn't be here normally. It's only because it's Christmas. And this is one way, so it's not as bad. There's one of the bigger Unitop DIY stores. There's one of the big DIY stores, Unitop, is closing down, which is a bit sad because I like Unitop. Apparently they're moving to the Gatsby. So we're at the crossroads. I was going to walk you that way, but because of the rain, but the rain's letting off a bit. So you can see there's not much more this way, but the stalls right up to Master Square, they're not normally allowed to be there. God, I can't get my words out.
It's only now.
So both McDonald's here in Centro, they're all automated now. That's where we're heading, guys, automation. God, the horns are everywhere. Look how busy it is. And you know, I keep getting asked about the street food. I've never been poorly eating street food. I have at a restaurant next day, but never with the street food. Because 99% of the time it's very fresh. Oh, look at the birds. Cockatiels. Oh yeah, do you want your balloon? No thanks, I'll pass. Now, a bit disappointing this year, there's no Christmas tree. Every year apart from the pandemic, there was a Christmas tree.
Tell about we're gonna renovate the stage.
Yeah. Now, you know we live in a squatter area. Well, a lot of the kids from that squatter area comes down here begging. And for a while they were asking me for money till they realised I lived there. And they stopped. Because the same kids as the kids we give toys to each year. Now it's calm. Again, these stalls wouldn't be here normally, guys. It's mainly all good quality toys, as you can imagine. Yes, there's a hint of sarcasm. Yeah.
Like Fiesta, Valentine's Day.
Yeah. So all this is going to be refurbished, guys, and by the looks of the plans it's going to be beautiful when it's done. So why wouldn't you want to come and live in Naga? Stepping stone to the rest of Bicol. There's loads of resorts, got the hot springs, etc., which a lot of people visit every time they come.
It's safe as well to live here.
Yeah, it's one of the safest places in the Philippines. Because that's a question we get asked a lot as well. Is Naga safe? Is the Philippines safe? Well, of course you could be in the wrong place at the wrong time. Nowhere's safe these days. But I'm quite happy to walk around at night on my own. There's certain places I wouldn't walk on my own at night, of course. But coming into Centro or whatever, you'll be fine. You'll be absolutely fine. See all the beautiful girls. So this is where we're going to end it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that little walk around.
Yeah.
And you didn't mind me yapping. So this is it, guys. Sadly that hotel shut down during the pandemic. They couldn't give it over.
Jollibee, Choking, and Brit McDonald's.
Yeah, that's the other McDonald's. There's another one obviously in SM. So there you go, guys. Christmas Eve. Some nice lights in the trees. But no Christmas tree. How sad. How sad. See you on the next one, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you unsubscribe, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. There'll be more videos coming in the new year. When I mean more, there'll be, you know, more than the odd videos we're doing now, because we're very busy and there's other issues as well. So see you on the next one, guys.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys! Merry Christmas everyone!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. Aaron, Gladio Atlantean, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.